Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OneDrive on macOS Sonoma. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Mac is powered on and you are logged into your user account. Click on the Finder icon located in the dock. In the Finder menu, look for Go at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Connect to Server. In the server address field, type in OneDrive or the specific URL. Click Connect and wait for the connection to establish. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input your email address associated with your OneDrive account. Then, click Next and enter your password. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, locate the OneDrive folder in the Finder sidebar. If you don't see OneDrive there, click on Go again and select Home. You should open the OneDrive folder to access your files. To ensure automatic login in the future, you can set OneDrive to launch at startup. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Choose Users and Groups and then click on your user account. Select the Login Items tab. Click the plus button and find OneDrive in your Applications folder. Select it and click Add. Close the System Preferences window. You are now ready to use OneDrive on macOS Sonoma. Your files are synchronized and accessible from your OneDrive folder in Finder. That's it. You have successfully logged into OneDrive on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.